Hey guys, today I want to show you how to perform an oil change for 2010 Mercedes GLK350. And the engine oil we use is 0W40. We need two 5-quart because the car I think take between 6 to 7 quarts. Oil filters, we use main filters, HU7185, and this tool is I used it for open the oil filters housing. Socket we have 15 millimeters for the drain plug, and this 5/16 for the bottom panels. You need to take it off to access to the oil filters. Oil drain plug. Okay, this is how I set up. Put the car on rams and go underneath of it. In the front, they have the panels, plastic panels, and they have 8 bolts, 5/16 to take off for you to access to the oil pan. Alright, after the drop off the front panels, this is the oil drain plug, number 13 millimeters. Alright, next we will remove the plastic coating. Open the oil filter cap and open the oil filters housings before you crack the oil drain plugs so it can drain easier. Alright, to leave it there, let it drain for a little bit, and right now go underneath of it, crack open the drain plug and drain the oil out. Alright, let it drain until completely out. The oil drain plugs. Remember, when you put it back, replace the new washer. Alright, right now we're waiting for the oil drain out from the oil pan completely. So right now we remove the oil filters and replace with a new one. And remember, don't make a mess. Here it is. Here's with the new filters. It's come with the filters and some gasket. Go ahead and take off the old one and clean up the housings and put it back on. We have 1, 2, and 3 take it off, clean it very good. Remember, this is a new gasket, so put a little bit oil around the rings and put it back on. Okay. All right, guys. I clean up the housings and put back the gasket. 1, 2, and 3. I put a little bit oil around the ring too. So, and now put back the oil filter. Just put it in, push around, go all the way, and sit like this between 2 black lines, and we should be good to go. Alright, and don't forget to go up on the way to the top and clean up this housing before we put back the new filter. Alright, after you put back the oil filter and the housings back in, go ahead and tie it up. Remember, this housing is plastic, so don't push too hard. Just a snug should be good. And I believe it have the on the Mercedes website. You can find the spec for how to torque this housing. But with me, I just give it a snug and should be good. Not too tight. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, after we drain completely all oil out, go ahead and clean up the drain very good. Put back the drain plug with the washers and tie it up. And remember, it's just a snug. Give it a snug. Don't pull so hard. Give it a snug. Okay, good enough. Alright guys, after put back the oil filter and the drain plug back in at the bottom, go ahead and open the oil filter cap, put the furnace there, and then start to fill it up. I think start with 5.5 first, and after that you can add on some more. And also, so when you go at the bottom to put back the plugs, so this is a good time to use the flashlight to inspect and check at the bottom, make sure no leak, everything in order. And I do this oil change every 7,000 miles. I mean, the oil can go to up to 10,000 miles or 1 year. So, but normally I go just 7,000 or 7,500. Alright guys, after I fill up with 5.5 quart, go ahead and put back everything in order. Alright, oil filters, oil filter caps, and put back the plastic cover. And go at the bottom, put back the panels, the plastic panel at the bottoms, and lower the car, check for the oil levels, and take for the spin. Alright guys, after put back everything, lower the car, turn on the engine for a little bit, shut it back down, and check for the levels. By the way, the oil dipstick is engine oil dipstick is right here. It's almost at the bottoms, so add a little bit more. Alright guys, now it's time for driving around, bring up the engine temperatures, and then come back home, check the level again. If it's still low, add some more. If it's enough, we should be good. Everything look good so far. Very smooth. No weird noise. Alright guys, I think that's it. Remember, come back home, check on the oil dipstick again. If it's the level is between low and high, we should be good. Alright, one last thing, the service maintenance reminders reset. I have another clip on my channels. If you don't know how to do it, go on my channel and take a look, and you can reset by yourself. Don't forget to subscribe and support my channel.